Out here today, gonna be doing some kayak fishing in the ocean with Elizabeth, and we're hoping to go after some snappers, maybe a baby tarpon or a snook or two, but we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. Should be interesting. First time in a kayak on the ocean. There's a whole school of mullet right here. There's one. First snapper. Good deal. Really not sure what kind of snapper it is though. It's a really pretty fish though. There he goes. If it's long and skinny, it's a mullet. Those right there in that hole are mullet. Just cast right over me. Just throw it right over top of me. Actually, just drop it down. Now.
I caught a fishy!
Good job. Awesome. All right, let's line up. Another mangrove. All right, going back now. Good job, babe. You got a couple going for it. Bunch coming in. You got him. Still got it? Yep. Good deal. There you go.
Another little one.
Good job.
He's kind of pretty.
Oh yeah. Let go of my shrimp. I want it back. Oh, he took half of it. We can have half. Yeah.
We should have brought more shrimp.
We brought 3 bags, didn't we? Just never know what you're gonna find back here. You're having too much fun, aren't you?
Yeah, I really am. He's baby hooked. Just barely. He got a lip piercing.
They have teeth.
Did you know they had teeth?
Not really. I found out the hard way. Ow! Got a needlefish.
Oh, geez, they're freaky looking.
And they have teeth, so my first needlefish or houndfish.
Have you ever caught needlefish before?
No.
No?
Nope. And now he's in the boat.
That's cool.
First ever needlefish or houndfish, whatever you want to call him. A small one, but it's really cool. He's got giant teeth for such a small little fish. Shred ya. There he goes. There we go. Got another one. There we go. It's another really pretty one. I'm not sure if these are still snappers or not. I think they are though. Got another one. There he goes. I think you'll be okay. Manatee, 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 manatee. Coming in hot. Very cool.
Very cool.
It's like that is a giant rock that's moving. It's like, nope, that's a manatee.
Like it's moving.
Yep.
He's right by you.
You don't see that every day.
He's back there now.
Gosh darn it. Wasn't paying attention.
No, look at the manatee, babe.
There we go. There we go, another mangrove. Beautiful fish. Going back.
Right.
Can I get under there? That's where I just caught that one. There he is. Little another one.
There's some fishes.
Now this is mangroves. Very cool. There's like snails and stuff growing on that. Me too, I've lost my bait 3 times. There we go. Better size mangrove. Another snapper. I finally got them all to commit. They were staying under the log up here. There he goes. It's bass fishing is so much easier because you don't have to have pliers all the time.
Yeah.
You can't do anything out here without pliers. There we go. It's a better one. I think that's the biggest one today. You could definitely get a little fillet off this thing. There's a whole school of them up here, Liz. There we go, another mangrove. Yeah. There we go. Another snapper. Cast after cast. It's almost every one. It's a different fish. It is different. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a different kind of fish. It's not a snapper. Yep, he's pretty. Another pretty one. Good day out here on the water as always. Caught quite a few mangrove snappers and a few other type of fish. We had one needlefish. It was a good day. As always, feel free to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace. Liz, there's a manatee. Right here.